Alright guys, I'm working on the Dutch Caliber. My original problem is that my light, gas light and gas tank's light is off. It's turned on, it says empty all the time and it won't go off. I changed the fuel level sensor. Everything I check, everything I had apart. I have my vacation, so I really love to be doing this diagnostic everything. I'm learning still. But by the way, so I was messing up with the wires and everything, and I was trying to. I came in the morning. I unplugged everything. I was doing some testing and some of the wires, some of the cables. I disconnect the tip in. Everything was off. I disconnected the computer. It was all night. It was like off. I came in the morning. I even left the keys hanging here in the cylinder. So I opened the door, trying to start my car, and the security light came on, and my car wouldn't start at all. So look at the light right here. It came on. Turned the key on. Turned the key. Nothing. Turned the key again. Nothing. Nothing. It was dead. Even this thing was not working before. So I was looking all the wire diagram and everything to see what I was missing. So the relay box for the starter and all the stuff is right here. So you got to take the front bumper. You got to take it off. It's easy. You can just take the screws from the top in here, the little ones, and put something underneath so it holds your bumper. And I was doing it. I'm not freaking out because I know I knew I was gonna make it start somehow. So I was checking everything. I was checking powers, grounds, and everything. And even this is my relay box, the big relays. I was checking powers and grounds, and I think this one is for your starter. So I was just messing around and everything, so I couldn't get it started. Somehow I didn't have any. I don't know if this wire right here. Sorry, I just can hold my phone and feel at the same time. It's hard, I'm sure. So all right, so I was looking on power, ground, and this wire, and it's nothing. But this is now for the starter. So hang with me. I'm sorry. It's just kind of hard to do everything with one hand. So I think that one was not any. It was not anything to do with anything. Like, it was not for anything. So, but I think the relay starter was this one. But in the end, I didn't really care. I was just trying to make the starter work because the key was not working and everything. And out of nowhere, well, not out of nowhere. So I was looking at the wire diagrams and everything here, and this tells you yellow, green is your starter wire. So you go right here. That's your signal wire. That's what will make your starter kicked on right there. So there you go. So this is your yellow wire. That's your signal wire right here. And then, so that's what I was looking for. I was looking for the yellow wire, and you needed power to kick the starter. So what do? And it says it's in the tipping. So that's one of the things. Everything pretty much is in the tipping right here. That's what it says. Totally integrated power module. So you look over here, and so you look over here. So this is your tipping right here, and you can see the wire. Sorry for this. See the wires right there. Right there. Let's see. There's the wire. Yellow, gray, right there. And I think this from the right there. That's the cover. So right here. This one right there. That's the one like in the middle of the tipping, around the middle. That's your starter. So what do? You follow the wire. And it's right here. So I found it right here. So I know I'm gonna put power in that one. So I'm gonna turn the key on. Or you can just make it work and it won't start because it doesn't have the key. But now you can hear the fan. It's kicking on. It wasn't kicking on before. So now I don't know. I couldn't find any fuse or anything. But so yeah. So right now I'm gonna turn this thing off. So alright. So now you wanna test the starter pretty much. You're gonna test it. But I know it was working. I don't know why it was not kicking on. But as soon as I grab my Power Pro, oh, this is not the Power Pro. So right here. So here you'll see it has ground. You kick it, you're gonna give it power. So this power is you brown. It's a ground. You'll see the green. You give it power, push it up. The red, ground bottom, green light, top. You give it power. So right now we have a ground, and we're gonna give him power, and the car is gonna start. Boom. See that? So that's the way you test your starter pretty much. If I don't know where your car stopped starting like mine, when I came in the morning, nothing was on. The secure light was on, like right here in the middle. This light right here, it was on all time. And I couldn't get it started. I did everything, check fuses, relays, everything. But I couldn't get it started. Which that was not my original problem. My problem is still, see the gauge is off, the light is on, even just look at the fuel tank. The fuel tank is almost full. I don't know why. I already changed the fuel level sensor, everything. I changed everything. Nothing's working. So I'm just looking around and see that. I can see that thing is almost full. So I don't think it's the fuel level sensor is working. It's making changes every time I move the lever. It's changing. So I mean, it looks like it's working, but I cannot find the problem. The only problem I think it is maybe the cluster, but I don't know how to get to the cluster thing or what will be the problem. But so yeah, I mean, this video helps you to just start your car. You know, just look for the yellow gray wire. Look it over here and give it a power. If you don't have the Power Pro, just grab a wire from here to that thing, or you can look it over here. I mean, you don't have to take this apart. You can just look it over here in this part. Find the yellow gray wire give it power. If you had the key on, your car will start. If you just don't have the key, your starter will just kick on. Not it'll just kick on. It won't start because it doesn't have the key, doesn't have the chip to read the key. So your car is only gonna start, but not like all the way. It's just gonna kick. The start is just gonna kick, man. Sorry. So yeah, I mean, that's the video. If somebody knows how to make the gauge or the gas light go up, please give me a hand, because I'm having issues with that, and no matter what I do, I changed the pump already, which I shouldn't, because I mean the sending unit is working. I just don't know where can I find the if it's a cluster. Just give me a help. If you guys know better than I'm just learning as I'm going. But I mean, yeah. So just give me a thumbs up. See you later, man.